Mark here from JBBG. Let's take a look at this outstanding pistol from HFC. This is the hg193b. It's a full metal gas blowback or CO2 blowback pistol. It is outstanding. It is one of our best selling pistols on the website. Comes with the rail system underneath, a very strong hard blowback system, plastic ABS grip. When it's open, when the slide stays open, you can see it looks absolutely awesome. Very good quality from HFC. 300 FPS, takes either a gas or a CO2 magazine, holds around 24 rounds of BBs, and is absolutely solid. Comes with this ABS plastic hard case, so everything all in one go. You obviously need your CO2 or your gas. Take a look, it's on the website now. Thanks for watching.